Hello everybody. In this video I'm going through the financial report of Andbible sponsorship, meaning my consulting company financial report for quarterly 2 of 2024. So mainly months from March to June this year. So let's go. I'm going through this article which I'm writing in andbible.org. I have not yet released it, but I'm now releasing it after recording this video. So first of all, as normally, this is background is that I have a company that is able to collect money to to sponsor Andbible development, and supporting is done primarily from this web shop, which is this thing that you have probably seen, and also money is collected from PayPal and other means if webshop is not working for some reason for some users. So how was this quarter 2 2024? So I have been first of all, during this period the pricing for sponsoring work was 60 euros per hour plus VAT. That this is true that VAT was collected, but I'm already now saying that this will be removed from now on, and explanation is later on. So in this table I'm summarizing the hours and comparison to earlier months. So these months are now last 3 months are the more important ones, as we are considering those. So maybe we go through these bar graphics because it is showing better. As you see, May was very good month. I was getting a couple of bigger orders, and because of that I was able to significantly increase also development hours, and there were about 3 bigger orders, about 200 to 500 each, and also small number of smaller orders. And because of this I was able to do some new feature development for it, and the most important one was this new feature ability to share study pads from Andbible, and it is published to production by now. In addition to that, I have been spending quite a lot of time to fixing bugs and responding to user emails. As we see from this breakdown, this column here is showing that I have been spending to support tasks, meaning emails, etc., 5.4 hours, and maintenance tasks, meaning bug fixing, etc., about 15 hours, and feature development about 15 hours. Total 35 hours. And this is the diagram version of the same data. So as I have been talking about what is no more needed, I learned, I was calling to what our tax this kind of phone number that tells me about taxes, and I was finding out and learning that as long as my sales within European Union are below 10,000 euros per year, I am not required to collect VAT, value added tax. So from now on sponsorship is VAT free. Unfortunately earlier orders uh, had what and I have to pay that. It is my stupidity that I was registered as what, so I needed to pay them. I don't get it back, but anyway, from now on I don't need to pay collect or pay VAT as long as this 10,000 limit is reached. And as far as I know, next year it will be increased to 20,000 this limit. So I believe that it is not any time very soon that this limit will be reached. But of course, if it is reached, then I need to start collecting VAT again. Yeah, so this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all your support and sponsorship, and also prayers for this project. It has been great to work on this project, and I'm happy to do it also in the future. Hopefully more hours than earlier, but if not, it is also fine like this. Thank you everybody. Yeah, and see you next time.